This is medical doctor for ER department here at ABA Asmar. I'm Albert Voice Asmar. That's the official title for this hospital and surgical team. And this is the ER department. And well, my name is Albert, actually, so basically, you can call me Albert. I want to discuss with you a few issues. Most of the people come here because they want to sleep, and if you're having trouble sleeping as well, I can help you with that. Are you getting enough rest? Anything troubling you? Do you have anything on your mind? Maybe you have a headache. Are you drinking too much caffeine? You can cut back on the caffeine. The caffeine and some medicine can keep you up from sleeping. You know that, right? Make sure you drink some water before you go to bed. Sometimes a glass of milk helps. If you lactate, you have a lactate problem, you drink the lactate-free milk. But your blood pressure okay? Get one of these watches. They're very inexpensive. They're less than $50. You can get them off Amazon. Very good. You don't have to get Apple. Apple's very expensive. If you want to, it's up to you. But this will track your sleeping habits. You'll track your blood pressure. It'll track, there's the test for the virus thing. It has that on there too. It's an oxygen blood sensor. It also heart tells you how far you walk. There's a lot of information. So if you get an Android, it'll work with Android or Apple. But get this, and then I can track and let you know how you do with your sleeping. You should get minimum 4 hours. 8 hours is the goal. If you can get 8, 7, 6, 5 is great. Most people get 3. For some reason, they get up in the middle of the night. A lot of people get up at 3 o'clock in the morning. We call that the witching hour, Or actually, it's not witching hour. Sorry, magical. It's a magical hour. Some people are very sensitive. Yes, that's when the magic begins. If you believe in that stuff, that's. So you find yourself getting up at 3. There's a reason for that. Try to sleep. Try to go to sleep. Watch TV. Whatever. Watch something that will knock you out. Don't drink too much. After 6 o'clock, don't drink no coffee. Don't drink no caffeine, no soda, no tea. And hot chocolate, too, has caffeine in it, too. They all have it. Stop. Glass of water. Glass of milk. Keep away from juice. Keep away from sugar. Cut that out. Cut out the sugar and carbs out of your diet. See how it goes, Watch your weight, check on that, too. Any swollen ankles? That means your liver is fatty liver. You don't want fatty liver. You'll notice changes in a lot of scratching, irritation, redness in the skin. All that can be caused from there. I hope you don't drink any alcohol too. That's not good either. Just be careful, it's a lot. So darken your room. Turn off the cell phone. Try to have no distraction. You might live in a big city. I understand this train going by and how the whole house or apartment shakes. There's nothing you can do. You have to live with that. You may have to find someplace else to live. Maybe you can't because your job is nearby. You can get something to play white music, which will dampen out the sound. Or listen to brainwave entrainment. I have one that's inside the Reiki Extreme Healing has it. That's grounding. And the meditation music will knock you out. You listen, just have it on the loop. Knock you out. It makes you feel like a different person. And you should go right to bed. I can say right now to you, calmly sit still. Take a few deep breaths. And then say the word relax. 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 Okay, now think of the pain that you have, whether it's emotional, financial, whatever it is, whatever's bothering you, focus at. We can push that out of your head, make you think of something else. And get to the root of the cause. See, only you know the root of the cause. So you gotta think of me as your therapist. I can I'll help you. That's my goal. So basically, once you find the problem, you can kick it out of your body. Lie in the bed if you want to, and complete still. But you need music to induce you, like a beat of a drum, or a flute, or a wolf howling, something that will make you like that. You complete, stand still, focus your mind, close your eyes, that your bodies leave your body, and go someplace else, a dream world where everybody goes to, someplace to relax you. Think about like maybe an island in the middle of in the Pacific or the Caribbean, where the water's nice and warm, and feel like you're there. You're by yourself. There's nobody to harass you, nothing to worry about, and that's what you focus on. For me, there's a planet I go to, and it has one island, white sandy beach, clear, crystal clear water, and the tree of life. That's from Hebrew. That's a powerful tree, and with that in the water, and I swim in there, I feel energized. But I always go to that planet to feel relaxed. Or think of a rose, whatever flower you want. Think of that. Imagine it in your head, and you can focus on that, and you can just try to sleep that way. But caffeine and coffee, which is caffeine, 95% coffee, all this stuff can keep you from sleeping. Trying to eat anything at night after 8 o'clock cutoff time. You can listen to these talks here. The ASMR will help you sleep. Sometimes the other ASMRtists, that's what we're called, will scratch, tap, and that was help you, or go like this. All like that. It's supposed to help induce you to relax. Once you're in a relaxed state, you can go to the next level. But meditation too helps too. If you can do meditation, that's great. You should do meditation every day. If you can't sleep, meditation every day, 7 days a week, until you start to gradually sleep longer. See, we don't sleep enough. We'll all get up. And it's always the same time you get up. Sometimes some people get up at 3. Some people get up at 2. Some people get up at 4. Especially who had a graveyard shift job. Like a job from 11 to... No, wait a minute. From... 3 to 11. That's second shift. 11 to 7, yeah. It's hard to get back into reality. Those jobs, they kind of mess you up. Yeah. So, see if you can get a second shift job instead of doing third shift. Nobody wants to do third shift because it screws you up, and working on the weekend is tough. If you have to work 7 days a week, it messes up your head. And sleeping then gets all messed up. So, my advice is watch something on TV that can put you to sleep. Go in your bed. Couch, it's not very uncomfortable. If the couch is comfortable, I can understand, but it's not good posture. You might, something might ache, like your neck. Neck would have to be massaged. You'd have to come in here. Would have to help you if you didn't have nobody else. But that's what I would recommend. I can flash a light in your eye and make you follow the light with the eye. You can do that if that helps you. But and that depends if you're. Oh, sorry, wrong way. So you're supposed to focus on the light. Oh, not me, you. So you focus on the light. Let me see. Can you see the light? There it is. So that light it's right on top. Blue lights that won't blind you. You don't want to look into any bright lights because it's not good. Here it is. There it is. Yeah. focus your eye. You have good eye coordinating. You should be able to go back and forth without a problem. All right. Okay. It's almost 7 o'clock. Did you have your dinner? If you didn't have your dinner yet, go have some dinner. Don't wait till 8 o'clock to eat. That's very bad. You can't do that. Don't eat late night food. It messes you up inside, you know? Remember, your body is like a steam engine. It needs food. Once you fill it up, that's it. Then you go to bed. You can stay up to midnight. You should be in bed by midnight. Don't go beyond that. And get enough sleep. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you got to go to work at a certain time, that's going to change things up. You have to plan ahead. Say you had to get to a job that was 8 o'clock, but the job was 2 hours away. You know you have to fight rush hour traffic. You have to leave the house by 5 to get there, to give enough time so you don't pace yourself and start getting in a panic attack. Oh my God, I'm going to be late. Oh my God, I should have earlier. That's right. You should have left earlier. Get up at 3, get yourself ready, have a little breakfast, and get yourself in planning, and go to that job, and you'll be there on time. You'll get there early. But you got to do. You don't want to be late for no job, because that's going to make you freak out, and then your boss is going to come on you for being late. You gotta plan ahead. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this, and hopefully this will help you a little bit. What to do for sleep, and what the proper way of doing it. This is actually a real step. This is not make believe. This is real. This is to help you. I like to help and give advice. Works for me. Hopefully it'll work for you. Until our next chat, take care.